Hi, and welcome to this quick guide. Let me show you how you can use the Artekit PropBoard to add light, sound, and proximity detection to any kind of decoration, like this Halloween pumpkin. This is going to be a very quick video, so please don't forget to check the links in the description for more information, step-by-step instructions, and all the required files. I think the pumpkin looks great, but let me show you the real start of this project. The core of this project is this little black box that contains all the electronics, including the distance sensor that we are using to detect presence and trigger lights and sound effects. After some minutes, if no presence is detected, the pumpkin will start playing a random audio file. I started this project by printing the pumpkin using orange PLA. It was a long print that took about 16 hours, but in any case remember that you can use any kind of decoration, including a real pumpkin. Let me show you all the steps required to build this project. So you're going to need your 3D printed parts, an Artekit PropBoard, a microSD card, a 40mm speaker, a distance sensor, LEDs, some wires, hot glue, and a 5V power supply. Remember to check the links in the description for more detailed instructions. Start by soldering the sensor wires to the PropBoard. Then connect the distance sensor. Cut some LEDs, solder the wires, and attach the LEDs around the box cover. We have used 20 LEDs for this project. Solder the wires for the speaker and put it on the top of the cover. You can use some hot glue to fix the speaker to the cover. Take the PropBoard and solder the power supply wires, and also the data wire for the LEDs. Then solder the wires for the speaker. Now connect the USB cable. Grab your SD card and follow the next steps in your PC. Download the file from the links in the description and open up the pumpkin sketch in the Arduino IDE. Make sure you have selected Artekit PropBoard in the board menu and then click Upload. Now open the SD folder, select all the files and copy them into your SD card. Once you are done, take your SD card and insert it into the PropBoard. Fix the board into the box, there should be 3 little columns for this, and then fix the sensor in place by using the 2 little screws that you have printed. Put the cover on top of the box, matching the holes in the cover with the pins in the box. Optionally, you can print a diffuser if the light of the LEDs is too bright for your decoration. Finally, connect the power supply. Put all the pieces together. Now your project is complete. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween!